You know, black people got blood pressure problems and shit. We ain't here trying to die and shit, you know what I'm saying? Fuck. Yo, good morning. Yo, good morning, guys. It's your boy Big Guy Kilo. I'm trying to tell y'all, apple cider vinegar is the nastiest stuff that I ever had in my life. But I've been taking it every single morning, y'all, because your boy's trying to get his weight back on track. Y'all already know it's good. Yo, what's poppin', y'all? It's your boy Big Guy Kilo, and today I'm back on the channel, guys. I know it's been a very long time since y'all seen me. It's been like 3-4 weeks now. But your boy's back in action, and I got some big stuff planned for the channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a routine challenge. I guess not a routine, but I guess it's like my routine since I've been starting like my weight loss journey or whatever. But the first thing I do in the morning, I take a shot of apple cider vinegar, which is the nastiest stuff, but helps every day with like losing fat, trans fat, and stuff like that. So, you know, if y'all got time with some apple cider vinegar, go take a shot. You might throw up first 2 or 3 times, but you know what I'm saying, eventually you'll get over it, right? So after that, guys, we head right to the bathroom so we can brush my face, wash my teeth. And I'll show y'all some of the skincare products that I use on a daily basis to keep my skin clear, even though my skin is very dry. So I use some products to keep my face very smooth, very shiny, and not oily. So guys, let's go over into the bathroom and let me show you guys how I get down in the morning. You did. Alright, so y'all, I actually use 3 different kinds of toothpaste, in case people want to know. So I have this one, which is a charcoal toothpaste. It's black and white. I have this one, which is a 3D Crest. It's also a charcoal toothpaste, just pure black. And then I use the 3D whitening, which is almost gone. I don't use all of them every single morning, but I do use them because they do help my teeth stay white. 3D Crest, all 3D whitening Crest helps your teeth. Shout out Crest. In the morning, you know, after I do all of that stuff, right? Come in, wash my hands. Why do I wash my hands? Shout out to my ex-girlfriend because she actually gave me this. But why do I come in the bathroom and wash my hands every morning? Because I scratch when I sleep. So there's no telling what part of my body that I scratched when I fell asleep. So that's the first thing that I do, which I already did, so we're not gonna talk about that. What I use for my face is a pure clay mask. Right, it's a pure clay mask. This is what I use every single morning. Well, not every morning, every other morning, because this one, it can dry out your face, but it doesn't dry out your face, but it can. So I don't use it every morning, I use it every other morning. This one right here, which is a clay mask as well. This one helps with oily skin and dirt. I use this one every morning, the way I can, you know, kind of go through the process or whatever. But yeah, so we're gonna get right into the toothbrush brushing process because your boy needs to brush his teeth. And this morning, I'm gonna go with the straight black. No, I'm gonna go with the charcoal, all the way black. Yeah. Oh shit, I just put the toothpaste in the stupid. Right? I don't know if y'all are weird or not, but I turn the water on with my toothbrush, and then I put toothpaste on my toothbrush, and then I wet the toothpaste. If you do it any other way, psycho. So this is what the toothpaste looks like on my toothbrush. Right, it's black. Good. And right for the Alright, so after that, I normally put on the face mask, but I'm gonna put on the face mask because I did yesterday, and I don't want to bring my face up. Since I don't use normal soap to wash my face, I use water. I use hot water and a fresh towel every single day to wash my face because I have dry skin on my face and it breaks out very freaking easily. So yeah, I use a fresh towel every single day. So So yeah, so I got my fresh towel. Make sure that the water is hot. Like when I say hot, I mean like hot. Because if it cools down, I mean it's no hot. No, it's not doing anything to me. I like for my skin to feel exfoliated or stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? When I wet her up, do one rinse. Perfect, right? But then we just got, the apple cider vinegar. Right, now we got a hot towel, and we just rinse over our face. Make sure that you get your ears, because I know some of y'all be slacking on God. Make sure you get your ears, every section of the ear at that, the top, bottom, behind. All right, and then perfect. Your boy got a clean face, and now I dry it off, and I go for the lotion, baby. Hold on, wait. How you do it? Anyway, that shit say extra strength because my shit dry as fuck. Grab some lotion. Not too much because this shit is crazy strong. And then on the face. Right? On the face, right? Yup. And then that's how I brush my teeth on my face. Then I'm gonna get some, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, y'all, so I got my chicken breast cut up here and I got my grill set to 300 degrees. And now what we're gonna do is add a little black pepper and add a little Tony Saturates to it to give it a little something, you know what I'm saying? That way it won't be just some bland chicken, be boring. Don't put too much just because we don't want to go crazy. You know, we want that stereotype that certain people have. That's what we're gonna use today. And yeah, that's how our chicken is gonna be made. That way, you know, your boy's not filled with like the cholesterol and stuff like that, you know, blood pressures and shit like that. Cause you know, black people got blood pressure problems and shit. We ain't here trying to die and shit, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what I did. Seasoned it up. Now I'm gonna use my hand because that's how I roll. To, you know what I'm saying, season that bad boy up there. And just one chicken breast is all I'm gonna be using for my breakfast because it's all I need actually. Just one chicken breast. I don't need much, don't need a lot. And yeah, what we're gonna do is throw them bad boys on there just like that. Just like that. Just like that. No oil, no grease, because this one is non-stick anyway. And nothing sticks to it. The perfect grill. Yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get back to y'all once the chicken is done cooking, show y'all the final product and what sauce I'm gonna use to enjoy with my chicken. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all. So my chicken done. And the sauce that I'm gonna be using to put on my chicken, I'm gonna show you the chicken in just a second. Slow down. Slow down. I know my hair is a mess right now. I need to go get it cut because I was working on my waves. You know what I'm saying? Your boy trying to be in the wave check gang. But yeah, so the sauce that we're gonna be using is ranch. Now, guys, I know what y'all probably thinking. Oh, he gonna eat healthy. He trying to eat healthy with the wood, but he using ranch. I need something, alright? I know ranch not healthy, so I'm not gonna use a lot, alright? I'm not gonna use a lot. Just put something on there, just to sauce it up, just a little bit. So what we gonna do here is, okay, it's good. Oh, let me show y'all chicken. Right, so that's the chicken. That's how it look. Oh shit. All right, so that's the chicken, and that's how it looks yummy, very hot, very steamy, and it's ready to go. But anyway, y'all, I don't know what y'all about to get ready to do, but I'm about to get ready to eat. So I'll see you next time. Peace.